Now, telekinesis on foil is performed the same as with paper. You need to focus on meditating on your third eye. The third eye helps me to push objects. I channel that energy from my third eye and push it out my hands. You need to get to the point where your third eye pulsates every time that you meditate until it's like feels like it's opening. My third eye is not yet fully open, but I know how to use my third eye to push objects, if you know what I mean. So do our meditations. You can chant. I've also recently found out that when I meditate in the dark, which is good for the pineal gland, that my energy seems stronger after when I practice telekinesis. So before I practice telekinesis, I might meditate in the dark for say 30 minutes. But the longer you meditate, the better. And the longer you meditate, the more stronger you'll get. So remember to meditate on your third eye. Listen to our meditations, like where you can hear the chant in the background of the music. There's many on YouTube you can find. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I'm out. Take care for now. Namaste.